Hey guys, okay, I want to do kind of like a burnt orange red eyeshadow look for you, okay? So I'm gonna start with these colors. This is Zion. Zion is amazing and you need it in your life. No matter what color of eyes you have, you need this beauty, okay? Then we're going to go with the color You Complete Me. It is basically Zion, but with shimmer in it. But those two together create magic. Okay, and then let's see, what other color should we add with those two? Let's go with Crush. I think that's a great idea. This is Crush. It's like a, I don't even know how to describe it, like an orangish metallic color. I don't know. You'll see. You'll see. Okay, and then of course we're going to add a little bit of brown. This is Philly. Philly is a really warm chocolatey brown. Super, super pretty. If you don't have Philly, you need it. Just for all of you that like more neutral tone colors, you need Philly. Okay, so we're going to take this beautiful brush. This is the Blend and Tap brush. And it applies your eyeshadow. Oh, goodness. Sorry. Dropping Sabrina, which is our last color that we're going to use. So anyways, it applies your eyeshadow flawlessly, okay? So we're going to take Zion first, and we're going to put her above the lid just a little bit. Okay, I might need to use a compact for this, just so I can see a little bit better what I'm doing. And I'm going to try to lean in a little bit closer so you guys can see what I'm doing as well. Okay, so above that bone right there, and then right in the corner of the eye. That's what Zion's gonna do. But you guys see how pretty that is? Like it and like Sabrina, the more cream color alone could be so perfect together. Okay, now we're gonna go over here. And the reason why I wanted to do this colors today is because I'm wearing like a burnt orangish red shirt and I want my eyes to match. So I figured what better way than to show you guys. Also, can we talk about what's on my lips for a second while I blend this? I put the beautiful Lip and Cheek color Sandstone first, which is on my cheeks as well. It's like, once again, like a burnt orangish red. So I put that on my lips first. Then I took our new color, Love Spell. Love Spell is a little bit more glossy. It's like a mix between, oh, I don't have it on me. How would I describe it? It's like a warm purplish brown with a little bit of shimmer to it. And I put it on top and it's my new favorite lip color ever. Okay, we're gonna take Crush and we're gonna put it right on the lid. Oh, it's so pretty. You see that? Like it's just like this peachy kind of gold color. And another reason why I love this eyeshadow brush, this Blend and Tap brush, is because you're able to tap everything right into place where you want it and then blend it out perfectly. Okay, now we're going to take You Complete Me. We're going to put that right in the crease just to deepen that Zion color a little bit. All right. And then I just went a little bit up on my brow bone, but kind of keeping it once again just right in this crease. And then I'm going to take a little bit, whatever's left over on my brush, and bring it underneath my eye. I like to do that because it just adds a little bit more dimension to your eye without looking super harsh. Okay, all right, and then we're going to take Philly, which is that chocolatey brown color, and we're going to go right in the crease. Not bringing it up, just leaving it right in the crease, and then bring kind of like a C shape right here. You guys see this okay? Right up and down. And then I'm going to take that same Philly color and I'm going to bring it underneath my eye too, just to deepen under there. Then I'm going to end with Sabrina. Kind of dust that off a little bit. And with this Sabrina color, go right in the corner, inner corner of my eye, and then go right underneath my brow bone. There. And then if you want, you can definitely finish this look with an eyeliner. I usually like to put, like, I dip my, I don't have it, but I dip a little fine tip brush in some water and then swirl it around in some eyeshadow and put that on as my eyeliner. It looks more natural. It's not like your harsh liquid light eyeliner, but it still adds that dimension to your eyes. But here is the look, the final look. More of that burnt orange color. I absolutely love it. Once again, I used Crush, Zion, You Complete Me, and Sabrina, and then I did the brown a little bit with Philly. You don't necessarily need all these colors, but this is what, if you want this exact look, this is what I recommend. So if you guys have any questions, if you want to shop the products, shop it in my bio, or I will post the link below so you're able to shop that way. And also, if you're interested in becoming an artist, which is what I do with Maskcara Beauty, send me a message. I'd love to send you more information about it and exactly how I'm able to have fun sharing this amazing makeup, making other women feel beautiful, and make a living off of it. So thanks guys for watching, and we will see you soon.